Hi, everyone. Let's take a look at number 14 on page 469 for grade 12 Calculus and Vectors, MCV for you. Part A, what is the value of k that makes the planes 4x plus ky minus 2z plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus z plus 4 equal to 0 parallel? Step number 1, write down the corresponding normals. So for example, in the first plane, the normal is going to be 4k and negative 2. And if you think about the second normal, this is going to be 2, 4, negative 1. 2, 4, negative 1. Now, you have to fully recognize that if they are parallel, that one normal is going to be a scalar multiple of the other. So for example, if I multiply the second normal by 2, this is going to be equal. How do we know that? If I draw two different lines to divide this into three different columns, in the first column, 4 equals to 4, which is simply a true statement. Again, for your reference, this is 4. This is 2 times 2, which is again 4, so a true statement. Likewise, if you think about the second part, again, don't forget the arrow here. K equals to 2 times 4, which is going to be 8. And of course, the last statement is another true statement because negative 2, of course, is going to be negative 2. So the answer for part A is k equals to 8. Part B, what happens if the two planes are perpendicular? What is the value of k? So again, I'm going to erase this to maximize the space. This is how you do it. If they are perpendicular, the dot product must be 0. So again, going back to the first normal, 4k negative 2, and the second normal, 2, 4, negative 1. When you dot the normals, they must be 0. This is why they're 90 degrees apart. When you expand this is 4 times 2. Again, this is part B, plus 4 times k, plus negative 2 times negative 1, which equals to 0. The hard part is now over. If you think about this, that's going to be 8 plus 4k plus 2, which equals to 0. 4k equals to negative 10. The opposite of multiplying by 4 is to divide by 4. So k is going to be exactly negative 2.5 or negative 5 divided by 2. Part C. Can these two planes ever be coincidental? Explain. Coincidental means you have two identical planes. And the general answer is going to be no. But here's the reason why. Because if you think about the two planes, for them to be the same plane, the entire plane must be scalar multiple of one another. So if you think about 4x plus k, y minus 2z plus 1 equal to 0, you think about 2x plus 4y minus z plus 4 equal to 0. Even if you set k to be some number, the fact that this is a 1 and a 4, it is not possible to express one plane is a scalar multiple of the other plane, which means they're not identical planes. They're not coincidental. I hope this makes sense.